everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to take a quick look at the Hertz Shelby GT500-H with 900 horsepower. And I think there's about 18 of these, but only 6 of them are in white. And we're at Las Vegas Airport. This is one of them. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. We'll do a quick walk around and take a look at it. Oh wow, check out even the exhaust pipe. And the spoiler almost looks like carbon fiber. And I have a feeling it's locked. I'll try and see if I can take a look at the interior. Oh yeah, look at the, oh man, these brake rotors are massive. Tires are 305 30 ZR20s. Even looks like it's got hood pins on the front. Oh yeah, it says Shelby down here too on the splitter. Just for comparison, so this is just the regular GT-H. There's a couple others here. So the GT-H is, I think it's just a little bit more horsepower than the regular GT. It's got different exhaust on it and stuff. These have been around for a while. Yeah, and you can see the spoiler on the back and exhaust, bigger exhaust pipes. All right, let's have a look at these Recaro seats and the stitching on the steering wheel, and 2,500 miles. And oh, you can see the Shelby on here. And okay. She said I could start it up, but let's have a look at and the shifter. Oh, okay.
Is that a good idea?
It's okay if I start?
Yeah, you can start.
All right.
We did it.
Oh, maybe a little closer. Try it now.
It's actually close. Whoa.
Wow, listen to that. Oh, on carbon fiber here and the seats. Wow. In white, there's 18 total.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
This has got 900 horsepower. Okay, let me shut it off before we make too much noise here. Wow, look at that, eh? Alright guys, I had to Google how to open up the hood. So you gotta press you open the hood latch, and then you press each of these buttons. You just press them pretty stiff. And then it's got the strut, and oh man, look at this. Wow, so you can see the hood. And it Hertz on everything, eh? Look at this supercharger on that. Whoa, man, it almost looks bigger than the engine. And the Shelby intake. Wow. Oh man, well I really appreciate them letting me take a close look at this. Again, we're at Hertz Los Angeles Airport. This is available for rent. It's about $500 a day all in with 75 miles, or about $2,000 for a week. 75 miles a day. And yeah, and you can kind of see the vents in the hood here too, eh? Whipple supercharger. Man, so again, this is one of 6 in white. This one had about 2,000 miles on it, so it has been driven a little bit, eh? Wow. There you go. All right. Well, again, thanks to the folks here at Hertz for letting us to take a quick look at this Shelby. All right, we'll go ahead and I kind of like that strut built in. Most of them just have the prop rod in the front of that hood is extremely light. Must be a lot of carbon fiber in there. And there you go. One more quick look at the interior. Carol Shelby. And the seats, can I do wide angle here? Nope, that's what we're going to get for now. And yeah, interior looks pretty awesome. They've got the floor mats, everything. All right, well, I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. Oh, look at the shifter, too. It's got the bigger shifters on it. Steering wheel. Metal, looks like, yeah, metal instead. The plastic ones. Wow, it's beautiful, eh? And the Shelby down there. Oh, and it's got the little snake. I don't know if you guys saw that there for the puddle lights. And we'll do one more walk around. All right, there you guys go. So this is available for rent. It's great shape down here at Los Angeles Airport. It's bookable on the website, or you can probably give the folks a call here. You can probably upgrade. And yeah, I think that's going to wrap it up, guys, for this one anyway. A little bit of a treat for you. This could be the end with everything going electric. This could be one of the last. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. If you like what you're watching today, appreciate it if you give the video a quick like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.